Best motorcycle helmet for women's hair. Motorcycle riding is becoming more and more popular among women in the past couple of years. Most women do not feel comfortable wearing a helmet because of their hairstyles. Some motorcycle helmets might adjust the one hairstyle, but you may need a new helmet when you change your hairstyle. This video will show you some of the best motorcycle helmets for women's hair. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. Bell Qualifier Street Helmet for Women's Hair. No one wants a long boring ride, and many women prefer listening to music while riding a motorcycle. This Bike Qualifier Street Helmet will be the perfect partner in your journey because of the integrated speaker pockets. This helmet is DOT certified to offer tension-free riding. The polycarbonate outer shell of a helmet is lightweight. The helmet features an EPS foam for increased safety. The liner of a helmet is very soft and is antibacterial to keep the helmet clean. Besides such a comfortable interior, there is a velocity flow ventilation system in a helmet. The padding wind collar of a helmet will minimize the noise at its best. This helmet comes with a scratch-resistant clear shield. Moving towards the pros and cons of this Bell Qualifier helmet. This helmet is safe and secured, tinted shield option, airflow adjust ventilation, comfortable interior, lightweight, DOT approved, removable and washable liner, padded wind collar, 5-year warranty, antibacterial technology. Now the cons: size problems, no visor lock. Vega Unisex Half Helmet. While looking for a motorcycle helmet for women's long hair, you just can't ignore the half helmets. This Vega half helmet offers a custom fit to adjust your hair with the helmet better. This half helmet has a durable outer shell that is very lightweight. However, this helmet is not recommended for high-speed riding. The high-density EPS foam of a helmet offers extra strength by shock absorbing. The liner is very comfortable with a fully vented design. Moreover, the liner will wick the moisture to keep the rider cool and dry. After choosing an appropriate size, you can further adjust the helmet using the dial adjustment system. Furthermore, the chin strap of a helmet is also fully adjustable and you can quickly take off or put on even with gloves. There is a drop-down sun shield in a helmet that you can adjust at multiple positions. The helmet meets the DOT safety standards and comes with a leading 5 years warranty. Now the pros and cons of this half helmet. This helmet is very lightweight, size adjustment dial, shock absorbing foam, comfortable for long hair, drop down sun shield, moisture wicking liner, DOT certified, quick release strap and 5 years warranty. The cons include size problems mainly for large heads. ILM full face motorcycle helmet for women. An ILM full face motorcycle helmet is for those women who have to ride off-road. This helmet is one of the safest helmets and the controlled ventilation makes it quickly adapt to any weather condition. It has a strong ABS shell that can perform exceptionally even at high speeds. Moreover, the multi-density EPS provides extra protection. The interior of a helmet is comfortable and easy to maintain. However, the liners are moisture wicking, but you can remove and wash them. The customization of vents by easily opening and closing makes this ILM helmet a friendly option for any weather. Women with long hair will indeed remain comfortable wearing this helmet as the chin strap allows you to fit the helmet even better. The sun shield of a helmet is also excellent. It can broaden your vision and provide safety to the rider's eyes. Let's have a look at the pros and cons of this full face helmet. Its design is modern, great protection, customized ventilation, comfortable interior, removable padding, scratch resistant visor, quick release strap, moisture wicking and DOT approved. The only con of a helmet is the helmet may fogs up. LS2 full face women's helmet. This is the helmet that my friend gifted to his girlfriend a few months ago because of its lightweight construction. This LS2 full face helmet is very cost effective option with all the modern features. This helmet has a polycarbonate alloy shell to ensure the safety of a rider The aerodynamic shell is very lightweight to keep the rider comfortable. The helmet features a technical fiber liner for extreme comfort. The liner of a helmet are fully removable and you can easily wash them to keep your helmet in a brand new condition. This helmet comes in different sizes. After choosing the right size for your head, you can further adjust the helmet using the chin strap. This strap is very comfortable and quick release. Just like other full face helmets, this LS2 helmet has built-in twin shield. This shield is scratch resistant and is capable of keeping the fog away from the helmet. You can choose this helmet because it can even fit on large oval heads and comes with a 5 years warranty. It's time to have a look at the pros and cons of this helmet. Pros. This helmet is lightweight, it has a strong shell, drop-down sun shield, easy fit for women's hair, removable and washable liner, quick release strap, comfortable cheek pads, 5 years warranty. Cons. This helmet may fit tight, not suitable for cold weather. Typhoon's adult women's dirt bike helmet. My last but not least motorcycle helmet for women's hair is the Typhoon dirt bike helmet. Some of the unique features and the beautiful color designs and all the features in a budget-friendly option never permit you to overlook this helmet. This helmet is the perfect match for riding at different speeds as it is DOT approved and is mainly designed for off-road riding. The helmet weighs only about 3 pounds and by wearing a helmet you don't feel much pressure on your head, thus preventing neck pain. If you also need a motorcycle helmet for neck pain, check out the video in description. A helmet's interior is very comfortable and soft with removable and washable padding. There are several vents on a helmet. All the vents are strategically placed to intake the fresh air and exhaust the hot air. The adjustable sun visor adds further strength to a helmet. You can shield the sun by adjusting the visor at 3 different positions even by a single hand. Let's have a look at the pros and cons of this helmet. Pros. This helmet is very comfortable, adjustable sun visor, excellent ventilation, lightweight, beautiful colors and graphics, double D chin strap, removable and washable liner. Cons. Size problems for some head. All the helmets presented in this video are of top quality, highly protective and comfortable for long hair. So which helmet you are going to buy, let me know in the comment section.